2016 Jeep Wrangler JK 3.6 liter V6. Turn signal's burned out. Show you how to do that here. Bulbs you will need is 3157. Yeah, turn signal is not working. Yeah, the four-way flashes are on right now. Turn signal element burned out of her. So we'll go ahead and show you how to change that out because it's a hard task here. Alrighty, Phillips head screwdriver or drill with Phillips screwdriver attachment. All right, one out. And now this should flop out of here. Oh yeah. Oh, that sounded beautiful. This should, I think, just flop out. And you attach the bulb. You take it out here. Let's see. Already twisted it off. And there's the bulb. Yeah, as you can see in there, the turn signal element is broken. So let's go ahead and change that. So you pull this out like so. Out with the old. Put the new one in. Now I like to, since I just fingered it, wipe it off. Wipe off the fingerprints in case, you know, the oil on your finger burns it out quicker or something. And that's what the four-way flash is on. It's good to go. Good to go. Go ahead, fold this back in. And I'll change out the other side when it burns out. Okay. Okay, that's how you change a Jeep Wrangler JK taillight bulb. And then if you had to do the reverse one, it's the next bulb below it. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Stay classy.